For decades, this massive submarine rested silently beneath the ocean. Covered in rust, surrounded by coral, almost forgotten by the world. Most ships disappear because of storms. Others are intentionally sunk. But some military submarines simply become too old to operate. Instead of sailing the oceans, they spend the rest of their lives tied up at naval bases, or resting quietly beneath the sea. This submarine tells a story inspired by many real vessels that served during the Cold War. During that period, countries built hundreds of submarines. Some remained hidden beneath the ocean for months at a time. Their missions were often classified. Many of the crews could not even tell their families where they were going. Life inside a submarine was never easy. The passageways were extremely narrow. Crew members shared tiny sleeping spaces. Fresh air was limited. Sunlight disappeared for weeks. Every square meter had a purpose: storage, machinery, control systems, food supplies. Everything had to fit inside a steel tube built to survive the crushing pressure of the deep ocean. A submarine is one of the most complex machines ever created. Its thick pressure hull protects everyone inside from thousands of tons of water pressing against it. Even a small structural failure could become catastrophic. Because of this, submarine construction requires incredible precision. Every weld, every steel plate, every pipe must perform perfectly. Throughout history, many famous submarines became legends. Some completed hundreds of successful missions. Others were lost forever. One of the most famous real submarine disasters occurred in the year 2000. The Russian submarine Kursk suffered a devastating explosion during a naval exercise in the Barents Sea. The accident claimed the lives of all 118 crew members and became one of the most tragic submarine disasters in modern history. Earlier in history, in 1963, the American submarine USS Thresher was lost during deep diving tests in the Atlantic Ocean. Investigators later determined that equipment failures caused the submarine to sink beyond its safe operating depth. These disasters completely changed submarine safety standards around the world. Today, modern submarines are built with far more advanced systems, but eventually, every submarine reaches the end of its service life. Some are turned into museums. Some are dismantled. Some are recycled. Others remain abandoned for decades, slowly becoming part of the ocean itself. Nature wastes no time. Within just a few years, algae begin covering the steel. Barnacles attach themselves everywhere. Coral slowly grows across the hull. Fish discover new hiding places. Eventually, the submarine becomes an artificial reef. Thousands of marine animals move in. The machine slowly becomes part of nature. That is exactly where our story begins. When our restoration team first discovered this submarine, almost every surface had disappeared beneath marine growth. Rust covered the steel. The interior had flooded. Control rooms were falling apart. Engines had seized. Most people believed restoring it would be impossible, but sometimes, the greatest projects begin where everyone else gives up. Instead of scrapping the submarine, a different vision appeared. What if this forgotten giant could become something completely new? Not another museum, not another military exhibit, but the world's first underwater luxury hotel. The transformation would require rebuilding almost everything. The hull had to be repaired, damaged steel replaced, massive panoramic observation windows installed without compromising the submarine's strength. Entire military compartments would be redesigned into elegant living spaces. The narrow corridors would become spacious walkways. Old control rooms would become luxury lounges. Crew quarters would become beautiful hotel suites overlooking the ocean. Every detail would blend engineering with modern architecture. The surrounding reef would also become part of the experience. Guests wouldn't simply stay inside a hotel. They would wake up surrounded by colorful coral, sea turtles, schools of tropical fish, and the quiet beauty of the underwater world. Instead of looking at paintings, the ocean itself becomes the artwork. Instead of traffic outside the window, guests watch marine life passing by. Day and night, the scenery constantly changes. No two mornings would ever look exactly the same. While this transformation is a creative concept rather than a real construction project, it raises an interesting question. Could underwater hotels become more common in the future? A few already exist. Around the world, luxury underwater suites have been built in places like the Maldives and Dubai. Engineers continue developing stronger materials, better pressure-resistant glass, and more sustainable underwater construction techniques. Perhaps one day, retired submarines could find entirely new lives beneath the sea, not as forgotten relics, but as extraordinary places where people can experience the ocean in a way few ever will. From silent military machine to peaceful luxury destination, this submarine's second life reminds us that even the oldest engineering marvels can inspire something completely different. Sometimes, the end of one journey becomes the beginning of another. For years, people believed this submarine was gone forever. No distress call, no final radio message, no warning. One day, it simply disappeared beneath the ocean. Its last known position was recorded by naval radar. Then, silence. Search teams spent weeks scanning thousands of square kilometers of open water. Ships searched the surface. Aircraft flew overhead. Special sonar vessels explored the deep, but nothing was found. Eventually, the search ended. The submarine became another mystery hidden beneath the sea. Stories began spreading. Some believed it had been destroyed during a secret mission. Others believed it had sunk during a violent underwater earthquake. Some even imagined it had reached depths no submarine was ever meant to survive. For decades, nobody knew what really happened. Then, almost 80 years later, everything changed. A deep-sea research expedition exploring an unexplored section of the ocean floor detected something unusual. Their sonar showed a long metal object resting quietly beneath layers of coral. At first, scientists believed it was simply another shipwreck. But as remotely operated cameras descended into the darkness, a familiar shape slowly appeared. It was a submarine, perfectly preserved, standing upright on the seabed, covered in coral, barnacles, and decades of marine life. Time had almost erased its identity. The ocean had transformed it into part of the reef. Sea turtles rested beside it. Schools of fish swam through damaged openings. Large rays glided silently over the hull. Nature had reclaimed what humans had abandoned. The discovery surprised engineers. Although the submarine looked badly damaged, its pressure hull remained remarkably intact. The thick steel had survived decades beneath thousands of tons of seawater. Submarines are built differently from ordinary ships. A normal ship is designed to keep water out. A submarine must survive enormous pressure pushing inward from every direction. Just a few hundred meters below the surface, the pressure becomes powerful enough to crush most structures. That is why submarine hulls are made using extremely strong steel. Some modern submarines even use titanium because it resists corrosion and allows them to dive much deeper. Looking around the abandoned vessel, the restoration team noticed something incredible. Despite decades underwater, many mechanical systems were still recognizable. The massive propeller remained attached. The control room still contained gauges and instruments. Even the sleeping quarters could still be identified. It felt as though time had simply stopped. Every room told part of the crew's story. Tiny bunks, narrow corridors, compact kitchens, storage compartments packed into every available space. Life inside a submarine demanded discipline. Privacy barely existed. Space was one of the most valuable resources. Crew members often worked 12-hour shifts. Some patrols lasted several months. During those missions, they rarely saw sunlight. Fresh fruit disappeared after only a few weeks. Artificial lighting replaced day and night. Yet submariners accepted these conditions because their missions were considered essential. While exploring the wreck, marine biologists became just as interested as the engineers.
Look at the colors on that.
The submarine had become an artificial reef.
And the way they integrated
Corals
the
covered almost
observation
every
windows into
surface.
the structure
Sponges
is
grew
remarkable.
across the hull. Small fish hid inside old ventilation ducts. Larger predators circled nearby. What had once been a machine of war had become an ecosystem supporting thousands of living creatures. Removing the submarine completely would destroy that habitat. So the restoration team considered a different solution. Instead of moving it, why not restore it exactly where it rested? The idea sounded impossible. Building beneath the ocean is one of the hardest engineering challenges in the world. Every window must withstand incredible pressure. Every doorway must remain perfectly sealed. Every electrical system must operate safely in a harsh underwater environment. Even transporting construction materials becomes a major challenge. Special barges, diving teams, remotely operated vehicles, and underwater cranes would all be required. But history has shown that impossible projects often become reality. People once believed underwater tunnels could never be built. Today, millions travel through them every year. People believe skyscrapers could never rise above 50 floors. Now many cities have buildings over 100 floors tall. Engineering continues pushing the limits of what is possible. This forgotten submarine inspired an extraordinary vision. Not another museum, not another military memorial, but an underwater luxury hotel unlike anything the world had ever seen. Guests would sleep where sailors once served. Old machinery compartments would become elegant lounges. The control room would be preserved as part of the hotel's history. Large panoramic windows would replace sections of the hull, allowing visitors to watch marine life only a few meters away. Instead of television, the ocean would provide endless entertainment. Every day would be different. One morning, a sea turtle might glide past the window. Another day, a school of thousands of fish could surround the hotel. Occasionally, a graceful manta ray might appear out of the blue. No city skyline could compete with that view. Although this transformation is a creative concept, it raises an interesting question. Should abandoned engineering masterpieces simply disappear, or should they be given a second life? Around the world, old factories have become museums. Railway stations have become hotels. Churches have become libraries. Airplanes have become restaurants. Even abandoned prisons have been transformed into luxury resorts. Perhaps one day, retired submarines could also become places where people experience the ocean in an entirely new way. Sometimes, history doesn't have to end. Sometimes, it simply waits for someone with enough imagination to begin the next chapter.